Alright, so in this particular tutorial, I'm going to guide you how we can simulate programming in TIA Portal. So this is our hardware, and this is our tag table, and this is our main block. So the question is how to compile and how to simulate. Okay, once you have done everything, what you have to do is come here and compile your program. So clicking compile. If once you're done your compilation, you see this message. If the program is correct, MB1, the main block, main organizational block was successfully compiled, and there is no error and no warning at here. So which indicated that the program and the hardware configuration is totally correct. So the next step, what you have to do is save the project, and already the compiled project is already saved. And the next step, what you have to do is start simulation. So as a top, you see compile, download, and upload, then start simulation. So click in start simulation, or you can click in go online and simulate. So for me, let me say just start simulation. Once you click in start simulation, you see this pop-up message, say okay. Now this simulation is already popped up. It's not configured well. So what you have to do now here is search for the device until the yellow flash, yellow flashlight pop up in here. So start searching for the device. Look, so it was already popped up, and the accessible device, CPU common CPU 1000 and 1200. I mean CPU 1200. The interface type is already here, and the IP address is 192.188.0.2. This IP address is a physical address for the hardware configuration. Once you've done this, the next step, what you have to do is here and load. So it was already done, and it asks you, so click and load. And PLC 1 might not have trust towards the device. It is not free. There is a password, because initially I have inserted password for the configuration. So consider the trusted and password issue. So it was checking now. Look at everything is correct, but some few fault signs here. The sign is already is going to correct after entering the password. So here everything is done, and I have to insert the password here. So let me insert password. Alright, then once enter your password, then enter. Look at, so all the status looks like correct. And lastly, what you have to say is load. Click on load, and the loading is already done. And the last step, what you have to do here is just finish. All right, now look at here. Just cancel this one. Look at the IP address what I have mentioned previously on the hardware devices appeared on the simulation. Now this is the right way to simulate. As you can see from here, the program is already correct. It's compiled in the well organized way. Now you can run click and run, it appears yellow, which means that the CPU is running right now. When it says stop, CPU is already stopped here. And this is the power button, just the power of PLC to turn on and off the PLC. And if there is error in the program as well as in the configuration, you see error messages pop up in here. This red yellow light comes to here, and it displays us there is some error. And again, if there is a maintenance issue, this yellow light will pop up in the maintenance case. So in this way, you can write program, configure hardware device, compile, and finally simulate. So simulation mechanism is all about this. If you have any comment, any question regarding with this, you can ask me in the comment section below. God bless you. I'll come back with another tutorial.